but I'll be on it always, always and ever.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you don't know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding it, I see you looking for
African painted. Yeah. Oh. Then she said, hey, here, doggy, doggy. And they're like, heck no. We ain't eating that diet.
and don't got a reason. Want someone to bring you peace, someone to help you sleep, someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody who can make it better. Somebody who can open up those gates. Open up.
You see the penguin, Kimmy? Oh, I see him. He said, what up, y'all? Yeah. What up? What's up, guys? So we just got back from the zoo. It was fun. It was Cammy's first time there and my nephew's birthday. Just celebrating his birthday there. We had lots and lots of fun. So we was able to get there early enough, about around 8 o'clock in the morning to Chicago. Like I was saying, it was fun. We had a great time at the zoo. And now we're just gonna chill. Just wanna say welcome to my new channel. I've decided to show you guys my creative side. I love editing videos, I love vlogs and telling stories. And outside of my main channel where I'm teaching you guys how to craft, I'm gonna show you the other side of me as well, as being a mom, working a 9 to 5, cleaning, cooking. When I go to the zoo, everything will be on this channel. So if you guys are missing me from my main channel, you can catch me on this channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss anything. So that was today. Today was the zoo, my nephew's birthday, and now I'm gonna take a little nap or chill for a little bit to knock off that zoo energy. But it was fun. It was lots of fun. But yeah.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in the bay.
Your turn.
I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe